Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now, verify your role and complete 2FA so you can change production settings. Once done, pick the production workspace and set the dashboard time range to the last 24 hours so you see recent behavior. Then enable the live data stream and pin 3 KPIs, error rate, throughput, and latency, to the top. This immediate work ensures you observe current system state and prevents chasing stale metrics. Make sure to save these view settings before moving on. Now you analyze. When an alert appears, drill into it using service, trace ID, and severity filters to narrow scope quickly. Then correlate KPI spikes with recent deployments, relevant logs, and configuration changes to find the root cause pattern. Once you identify the suspect, open the team playbook, assign an owner, and start a time-stamped incident timeline so actions are auditable. Make sure to annotate each step in the dashboard so everyone sees the chain of evidence. Finish by applying the fix with a canary or rollback, and then monitor KPIs for recovery over the next 15 to 30 minutes. Watch error rate and latency first. Once stable, document the root cause, mitigation steps, and 3 follow-up tasks in the incident ticket so the team learns. If metrics do not recover, check the dependency graph, replay traces for hidden errors, and escalate to the next responder. A key troubleshooting tip: if you lose visibility, re-enable live stream and verify permissions immediately.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.